If you like healthy eating and Southwest recipes, this is a super delicious Mexican chicken soup recipe, and it's dairy-free, gluten-free, gut-healthy, very hearty and tasty with simple ingredients. Healthy is simple. In a saucepan, we're going to heat up some chicken broth, then add some sliced onions, cooked diced chicken, black beans, non-GMO corn, minced garlic, chili powder, salt. Stir it all together and cook it about 5 minutes. Now add lime and coriander essential oil for superb flavor and immune boosting. Now to serve it, I like to top it with sliced black olives, diced tomato, avocado, cilantro, and a few corn chips if desired. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.